I was an athlete pretty much all of my life, and I only really cared about playing a sport and then getting good grades. So going from being an athlete in like this type of culture where it's like a team and you have this like kind of overarching mission, KEYENCE was a great fit. We are a global factory automation company.
We're always on the cutting edge of making innovations and making new products and opening up new markets for factory automation and analysis. At KEYENCE, we do talk about being the CEO of your own territory. What that means is you have the ability to book out your weeks the way you see fit.
I start early because I covered 2 states with my division. No one else is covering that from KEYENCE. I'm in charge of who I meet with and who I go visit, how many times I go visit them. Typically, you'll have a few different places that you're going to hit a day, and you're just going there for a few hours to kind of demonstrate the product that you have or help troubleshoot if they have any issues.
I try to learn more about them than just what their factory is doing, right? Who is this as a person? What are their needs? How can I add value? Not everything is individual. It's not just Daniel against the world. We have a lot of metrics that are designed around the office or the team.
All of the sales that come from this company are put into what is like a profit share account. So it only gives you more motivation to like help out your teammates, right? If I do well, they do well. We're all working on different projects. A lot of times I'm sitting next to my colleagues who cover the same accounts, but maybe they cover something different. So there's a lot of collaboration involved on different products.
The biggest reward at KEYENCE is that KEYENCE only promotes from within. If you're willing to come here and you're willing to work hard, you'll be rewarded for that hard work. So you know when you get to that level that you've earned it.
I've been treated very well here. I've been promoted like 3 times in the last 2 years, and that's only given me more opportunities to travel, to not worry so much about things on the weekends. When you start with KEYENCE, you go to training for 6 weeks or whatnot in Chicago. They put you up in a hotel, and you make the best friends. So now I actually go to Napa Valley in California with some other girls at the company. So they're in different offices, but we all train together at the beginning and we all take a trip every year.
I enjoy this job. I enjoy working hard. I enjoy working because you can actually see the benefits of that. You get to see the fruits of your labor.